What are you pulling out of the fridge?
Hello Jam Fam Tribe. Today the beverage for the day is carrot. So in here I have my pureed carrot. I just poured it out of the blender, and then all my spices and my different additives that's going to go in there now. So I'm just going to whisk that up and put it in the fridge so that it can cool down properly and have a refreshing taste for when we're going to be indulging in it. So I'll show you a taste test shortly. Okay, well, let's now see what it tastes like. That's nice. All it needs now is some ice cubes just to make it cool. It's thick enough, rich enough. Awesome. Hello. Wagwan. Big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad.
Welcome back to another video, Jam Fam Tribe.
So today it's the 31st of December, which is
Kwanzaa.
So it's creativity, and we know that this is our last day of 2023. And 2024 is just around the corner.
Normally in the UK we would be going to church at this time, but now that we're in Jamaica we're going to have to make a lot of changes.
Yeah, we would be going to church from 11 o'clock. Well, the church service would start at 11, and so we would be there at that service until about 5 o'clock in the morning. And it's normally a fun time. We look forward to going into church to give God thanks and to praise Him for all that He's done, and to welcome the new year as it comes back around. So this time we're just going to be at home doing some activities together, and next year we might be able to make different plans and arrangements, but for now that's how we're going to be celebrating. So we're looking forward to the activities that we will be doing. I wonder what you're doing for your New Year's Eve, wherever you are. Let us know in the comment below how you spent yours. I do know that some people are making New Year's resolutions and things like those. We don't do that, but if you are one of the people who make New Year's resolutions, what's yours?
But we do make goals, New Year goals, that we want to try and complete before the year's ended.
Yeah, we also amend and edit our vision board so that we can do a reflection to see what things we've accomplished from what we had set to accomplish. Some things that we've accomplished before we had dated it to accomplish. Others we might need to put extensions on, and so we do our vision board review and set ourselves new goals, as Eliona says, going into the new year.
So what's your goal?
Well, if they want to know what one of my goals are, then I can most definitely share that with them next time.
And if you want to figure out what my goal is, you'll have to get this video up to a lot of views to figure that out.
Through thick and thin, a friendship that
I can see it's hurting you. I can feel your pain. It's hard to see the sunshine through the rain. Oh, I know sometimes it seems as if it's never gonna end, but you get through it. Just don't give in, 'cause you can count on me through thick and thin. A friendship that would never end. When you are weak, I will be strong, helping you to carry on. Call me, I will be there. Don't be afraid. Please believe me when I say, count on. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us now, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming. New world, a thousand things I never knew, but when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear. Now I'm in a whole new world. Whole new world. On you, never sigh. Indescribable feeling, tumbling, feeling, standing high. Oh, new world. 100,000 things to see. I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far. I can't go back to where I used to be. I was a girl in the village doing alright. Then I became a princess overnight. Now I gotta figure out how to do it right. So much to learn and see. Up in the castle with my new family, and a school bus just for royalty. A whole enchanted world is waiting for me. I'm so excited to be so real about. Like an apple, big and royal. be enough. That was a goal that's still too late. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough. Never be enough. Never, 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 never. The shine of a thousand spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. That was a goal, but still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough.
You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide. I know you want me, so don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards and fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny?
It's easy. You think I don't want to end to you, but there are mountains and there are doors that we can't move through. I know you're wondering why, because we're ready to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was moments after all.
You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide. But I can't have you. We're bound to break and my hands are tied.
What are you pulling out of the fridge?
Hey, we didn't bake it.
New Year's Eve snack.
So, let us see. I'm just gonna get this and get it over with. I guess it's saying, don't open me right now, please.
Open me at New Year's. I'm not ready to be opened.
actually smell really good.
Can I cut it?
Sure you can. Want to use that or you want to use one of these?
I want to use this one, the big can. Right down the center. It's giving me back memories to my birthday.
Oh, you're going to take all of that?
No. Okay, guys, this is my haul. I'm not taking all of that. Maybe in the next week, but not in one go. Yeah,
That's okay.
that's fine. You can have it with some ice cream, Jamaican ice cream, and some whipped cream and a cherry on top. Oh, remember the UK cherry? Okay, so this is our fruit cake and we'll show you when it's plated. So my mom got a design on the top and I did it at the side.
When we were in the shop, a lady said, take this one, it's really nice, you're not going to regret it. And I've just had it and it's slap away. It is amazing. It tastes good. Really good. We can't wait to talk into it. So whoever you are, madam, if you recognize us, thank you very much for your recommendation. So we're saying goodbye to 2023 and hello 2024. Yes, yes, yes. A new year with new aspirations, new ambitions, new visions, new things that we will be doing, new territories to conquer.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
We did it! It's been a long one. But we did it. Happy 2020.
And I'm eating noodles and Happy New Year!
And I am eating fruit cake for Happy New Year. Yep. All the best in this new year.
Bye bye!
So we just want to say thank you for being with us over the last few months that we've started our journey on YouTube. We appreciate your subscriptions, we appreciate your viewing and your time that you've spent with us so far, and we are looking forward to the journey that we'll be on together in the new year as we go into 2024.
Thank you for